Hello my grands, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Rue. I'm your host Rue, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and also so you can become part of the LeGrand Rue family. On today's episode, I'm giving you the 411 on the benefits of introducing a sheet mask to your skincare routine. Now, before we get started, there are a bunch of face and sheet masks out there that are great for pampering your skin. There's cream masks that help replenish dry skin cells, clay masks that are great for detoxifying your skin, gel masks that are great for smoothing, hydrating, and firming your skin, exfoliant masks that are great for exfoliating the dead skin cells off your skin while giving you a brighter and even complexion. And then we have sheet masks, which are convenient and packed full of antioxidants and serums. Now, that was just a few of the masks out there, but believe me, the list could go on and on and on. But for this video, we're specifically going to be focusing on sheet masks and their benefits and why they're so great to add to your skincare routine. Now, how many of you out there, let's be honest, have worn a sheet mask before and have said, you know what, this isn't for me. You know, I'm not for this tissue that's just slimy and soggy sitting on my face for 10 minutes when I have so much to do, and I know that my skin is fatigued and tired and worn out, and people have been asking me if I've gotten 5 hours of sleep when I know I went to bed at 8 p.m. and got up at 5. So for all those out there who are new to sheet mask life, welcome. Class is about to begin. A sheet mask is a paper sheet that is structured to fit your face with 3 important holes cut out of it for your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. These allow you to properly still function while you have this on your face. So if you're cooking, if you're washing your clothes, if you're doing laundry, if you're laying on the couch reading a book, you can lay this puppy on your face and allow it to just soak into your skin because it's going to stay. It's not going to drop off your face. It's not going to fly away if you just literally press it on and let it do its magic. Because sheet masks are soaked in different serums that are packed with hyaluronic acid and vitamins to soothe, hydrate, brighten, and tighten the skin, you want to make sure for the best results to pick a sheet mask that is going to give you not only the benefits you're looking for, but that are going to target those specific areas of concern. So in my last video on how to deal with oily skin, I told you guys that I have combination skin, and to help deal with that, I use different cleansers, different moisturizers that deep cleanse my skin and also help balance out my pH levels. But when it comes to my sheet mask, I really like something that's going to brighten my skin and also hydrate because like I told you guys, I use products throughout the week that help to detoxify my skin as well as help combat that oil. And even though I'm wearing stuff that balances my pH, I still want my skin to have a healthy glow. And no, when you have a healthy glow, that does not mean oiliness. I mean, you want your skin to look alive. So when I need that pick-me-up, I generally reach for my Pharmacy Brightening Coconut Gel Mask. Now, if you have remembered in the beginning of the video when I told you guys about what a gel mask does, it helps soothe, it helps hydrate, and it helps firm. So let's say you have some skincare products on your counter and you have those serums, you have that moisturizer, you have that cleanser, but you're missing a little something extra. That's where these sheet masks can come in. To me, they're really like extra hydration for the skin. They help to target specific areas that maybe your other cleansers and your other moisturizers and serums aren't doing. So that's why I say it's really, really, really important when you're out shopping for your products that you really specify what on your face you really want to conquer and destroy or combat or keep at bay. Because that all matters in the products that you pick up. With this product, I use it because I want brightening, and with this product, I know that I want my skin to look firm, and with this product, I also know that I want my skin to feel soothed. And generally, if I have to be honest, with my Ulla Hendrickson's Truth Serum, that brightens my skin and tightens my skin and gives me that pretty glow. But what I love about this also is that it soothes, and it's just something that's cool and refreshing that I can lay on my skin after I've had a long day at work, or after I came from the gym, or after I've got on a plane and I just want to relax. And then the best part is I don't even have to wash it off. All I gotta do is just rub the serum into my face, and when I'm finished, just put my moisturizer on and I'm done. Finito. 10 to 15 minutes for this, rubbing it all in my face, slapping my moisturizer on, and I'm done. So then you may ask, Rue, what is the benefit of using sheet mask? I mean, we've been here for almost a couple of minutes now, and you've been talking about and raving about all the greatness about a sheet mask, but you haven't told us what's so great about using them. Well, hold your horses. We're getting there. For one, they're inexpensive. Two, you can take them on the plane and put them on before you land so you walk off the plane looking refreshed. And three, they give you a spa-like treatment without you having to leave your home. That sounds pretty beneficial to me, don't you think? I thought so. However, some negatives about using a sheet mask are you do not, I repeat, you do not want to reuse them, okay? Once you've used them, you want to throw them away. I know, you spent $3, you spent $7, you spent money, but it's only a one-time use. If you're looking for a serum that is going to be every day that you can use, you need to buy one. But for your sheet masks, they're a one-time use that once they've laid on your face for 10 or 15 minutes, you want to make sure that you are taking them and you're throwing them in the trash and never seeing them again. And if you are one of those people that have done that, please comment below and tell on yourself so we can look at you and just say, do better. I'm not going to say it this time. Keeping it pushing. Also, sheet masks do not have as much treatment as facial masks, but that's okay because remember, sheet masks are actually just there to pick you up after a long day and to pamper your skin quickly. Very quickly. 10 to 15 minutes, tops, and you're done. Some inexpensive sheet masks that you can purchase out there would be your Sephora collections, your Dr. Jart's, and your pharmacy sheet masks. And the list goes on and on and on and on and on. But if you go to any of your local drugstores, your Sephora's, your Ultas, you can find any type of sheet mask out there that you feel is going to benefit your skin. But hold on, you didn't think that I was just going to use this whole entire video just to ramble on about sheet masks and their benefits and their negatives. I am going to show you one of my favorite sheet masks. So make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see how I apply it and what benefits I get out of it. I'm going to show you guys the Pharmacy's Brightening Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. First, you want to read the back of the face mask package so you know exactly how long to leave your face mask on for. Second, you want to start off with a clean face so that you can put your face mask on. Third, you want to find a really good playlist that you can vibe out to for those 10 to 15 minutes so that you're in pure relaxation mode. Fourth, remove the face mask and rub the extra serum into your face before applying your moisturizer. All right, I see you. You looking good, girl. Now, back to reality. And it seems like we've come to another end of another great episode. And I just want to thank you all for watching it. And comment below if you learned something new today. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all back next time on Cooking with Rue. Bye.